done lot of revision in our previous chapter. Okay, so let's start our new chapter, and our new chapter name is multiplication. Before we will start the chapter, I am going to give you one example for this. If it is a board, and on this board some boxes are drawn. See, as I am drawing, if some boxes are drawn on the board, okay, and you have to count how many boxes are there, how many blocks are there on the sheet, on the chart paper, whatever you have drawn this. So you have to count the blocks. How you will count? By adding also. I am going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many boxes? How many blocks? Total 16 blocks are there. But have you seen it has taken time to count? Why not we can do this in a different way? Let's see how many rows in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rows? There are 4 rows. Can you count? Now 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns? 4 columns. After multiplying this row and column, what you will get? When you will multiply this row and column, you will get 4 4 ja 60. Again you are getting 16, and this is only your answer, as we have calculated by counting. There are 6 blocks in this board, and when you have multiplied 4 by 4 in row and column, you are getting the same number. Okay, so multiplication will reduce your calculation. Okay, so it's your introduction for multiplication. Now let's start your topic. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing. It is repeated addition. What is multiplication? It is repeated addition. Example I am giving. When you have to do this like 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So what is the answer? 8. So how you will do in a different way? How many times 2 is repeating? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 is repeating. So you can do like this also. 4 multiplied by 2. What you will get? 4 2 ja 8. So you can say that what is multiplication? It is nothing. It is what? Repeated addition. When addends are repeating, then you can do the addition like this. Okay. When the next example I am giving you. If this is the question and you have to find the sum of this. So what you will do? 10 plus 10, 20, again add, what you will do? You will do like this? No. You can do in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 is repeating 5 times. So what? 10 multiplied by 5, what you will get? 10 5 ja 50. Okay? So you can add in this way. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing. It is repeated addition. What is multiplication? It is repeated addition. let's move to the parts of addition, parts of multiplication. So, how many parts of multiplication? Actually, there are 3 parts of multiplication. The first one is multiplicand. The second one, multiplier. And the third one is product. These are the parts of multiplication. What is this? These are the 3 parts of multiplication. The first one, multiplicand. The second one, multiplier. And the third one is product. What is this 3? What are the 3 parts? Multiplicand are that number that will be multiplied. Means, I am giving you example for this. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. Let's take one example. I am going to multiply 8 by 3. 8 multiplied by 3. So what he will do? Multiply this 3, table of 3 8 times. 3 8 ja 24. This is your answer. So in this example, which one is multiplicand, multiplier, product? The number to be multiplied, that number is called multiplicand. So in 8 multiplied by 3, we are multiplying 8 by which number? By 3. So the number by which we multiply, that is what multiplier, and the number which is going to multiply, that is multiplicand. So 8 is what? Multiplicand, and 3 is multiplier, and what is 24? The answer you are getting after multiplication is called product. Understood till here? Now let's move to the property of multiplication. Students, there are basically 6 property in your syllabus. I am going to discuss 3 property right now, and in the next video tutorial I will be giving you the brief discussion about the rest 3 property. Okay, so now let's start the property. Properties of multiplication. The first property is when you will change the order of the number, the multiplication means the product will be same. You can multiply in any order. As for example, 7 multiplied by 4. What you will get? 7 4 ja 28. You can multiply by changing the order of the number. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 4 I have written. I can change the order and I can write like 4 multiplied by 7. The answer will be same. How? 4 multiplied by 7, 4 7 ja 28. You can see order is not mattering here. Okay, so you can change the order of the number in multiplication. Okay, the second property is when you will multiply a number by 0, you will get 0. Okay, As for example, I am giving you, when you will multiply 11 by 0, what you will get? According to the property, you will get 0. Okay. Next, any other? Like 121. If I am taking, what you will get after multiplication? After multiplication with 0. Okay. So when you will multiply with 0, you will get the 0. Okay. So this is the property. When you will multiply any number with 0, you will get 0. The next property is property number 3. This property is, when you will multiply a number by 1, you will get the number itself. Again, I am taking one example. When 12 multiplied by 1, what you will get? 12 multiplied by 1, the number itself means 12. Okay? 1980. Okay? 1980. This is your question, and you have to multiply this number by 1. What you will get? The number itself, again 1980, because the property is, when you will multiply a number with 1, you will get the number itself. Okay? If you want to take one more example, I am giving you. 85 multiplied by 1. What you will get? Again 85. So student, I hope that these 3 property you have understood. The next 3 property I will be giving you in the next video. Okay? Till then, watch the video carefully. After that, I will be giving you one worksheet related to this 3 property. You have to solve and you have to send the answer of the worksheet in my personal note. Okay? Till then, take care.